Hi guys, welcome to this session in Microsoft Project. In this module I want to show you how you can change the text styles of your project. So that I'm talking about the font styles and sizes of different elements in different views. So at the moment I've just got a default Gantt chart view without any tasks. If I type a task, just task A, task B, so you can see I've got two tasks. And I'll do 1 and 2 day duration, and then I'm just going to go to Gantt chart format and tick critical, so you can see that one of those is critical and the other one is not. Now where you need to go to change the font styles and sizes, now you can do that on the task tab and change it here, but what I found quite often is if I highlight these, for example, and change that to a different height, 16, when I do task C is still the same size as they were before. So that is slightly irritating. So I'm just going to do undo on that. So just come back to how it was. That isn't the way to do it, because you'd be forever changing the font style as you add new tasks or do different things. So what you do is you go to the Gantt chart format option there, and you come to this icon, text styles. Click into that, and then you've got, if I bring this down a bit into the middle, you can change the style for any of these elements. So there's quite a lot of information there. So if I go first of all for critical tasks, and I change that to size 14, so that's a critical task, and then click OK, that has now gone to size 14. And any critical tasks, if I type task C, that is not critical. Task D, if I make that 2 days, that will be critical, and that should change, and it does. So you can see how that works. Any critical task is going to be that size. Now if I go back into there, what you can also do is change the actual timeline there. So you've got top scale, which is not displayed, but middle scale is. If I just make that a little bit bigger, easier to see. If I go 16, that's probably a little too big, and OK to that. That's gone very clear now, you can see that. And then if I go 14 for the one underneath it for the days of the week, that's the bottom tier. So that's the bottom timescale tier. If I make that into 14 size, 14, and then OK to that, you can see that's now become quite large. Now in there you could have, if you wanted to, just gone for the whole lot, changed everything all at the top there, but I didn't want to do that. So I've got any task that's highlighted, you can change that font. So highlighted has already got this style, but the font is still going to be the default. So I click OK, and then if I go to the view tab, you've got highlight features there, and you can highlight critical, for example, and critical is already on 14, so that didn't actually change. So if I highlight something else, what can I, late task, motto, summary tasks, can't really do any active tasks. That's highlighted everything, and everything's changed to that size now, look, 14, so I'll take that off. So that worked. No highlight. And then go back to this, back into there. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to change everything, leave it all to size 16 font, and make it bold just to go a bit over the top. Click OK to that. So that is now standing out really clear there, and you can see everything. So if you've got problems with the size of the fonts and you don't want to manually keep changing it, that's how you do it. You go into text styles on Gantt chart format and sort it out from there. So hopefully this little video was of use. Thank you for your time. I'll catch you in the next one.